what I just got in the mail today. This is gonna be actually pretty dang on cool. It's like the highlight of my month. This little pink envelope brings so much joy to a girl's life, let me tell you. So, oh, this one is cute. This one is cute. Okay. How cute is that? They always give you their little stamp, the Ipsy stamp. But check this little, that's cute. And they gave me a little extra. The box. Or the bag. Anyway, so my Ipsy bag, you always get 5 items in your Ipsy bag. I mean, and then it looks like they gave me a bonus item. And we got some really cool stuff. So in this little bag here, Gianna B. Miami, Shiana B. Miami, Shiana B. Miami. That's what this is. And I was trying to see, it's a blush. And it's called Brickle. So not everybody's bag will be the same, and this is kind of cute, but I'm not sure if it's going to show up on me as a blush because I'm a chocolate drop, and let's be real. But I'm going to try to use it. I'm going to actually try to use this today, okay? I was not going to do that, but things have changed because the technique I'm showing you is more for the foundation. It has nothing to do with the products that you're going to use like for your eyes and your cheeks, like to lighten you or to highlight you up or whatever. But the foundational base, I'm going to enlighten you all today. I'm going to enlighten y'all. But we're going to use our Ipsy bag to enhance my enlightenment. Okay? Anyways, so we got our blush. And then they sent me eyeshadow with hemp oil, I'm guessing. Oh, wow. This is cute. So this is Pacifica. We're definitely going to use this on our eyes. So this is the cute little tray that it came in. And remember, this is, oops, I dropped my little spoolie. Guys, this is a little sample. And so it's a little bitty compact of what they would normally send to you. But this is cute, y'all. These colors are cute. We're going to use these today, too. So we're going to use these for the eyes. Look, they gave us a whole little shebang, shaboing. Shaboing, shebang, shebang. Curl defining cream for us natural sisters. We have a cute little brush. I so love these little brushes. This will be an eyeshadow brush. Really cute. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 items I've shown you. Oh, so we have this. This is the water cream. My hands feel, oh yes, it's hand butter. Hand butter is what it is. We have this cute little brow wand. Everything in our Ipsy bag that we got today, we're going to use today. Let's get started. I'm excited. Don't I look excited? Hello? Fresh face and all. Don't I look excited? Okay. So, as always, you still want to make sure you put on your primer. Whatever primer that is you use usually. And this is key. This is how you gonna make your face bomb. While we sitting in the house, lounging around, your man gonna be like, where you going? Nowhere, baby, just to, you know, chill with you. I wanna look good for you. So you gotta look bomb, okay? The way you make yourself glowy, look bomb, look refreshed, look quarantine vibes, refreshed in this momo. You give yourself highlighter before the makeup. And you could do this, and I know that y'all gonna be like, what the hell is she doing? But I'm showing you something, so pay attention. You give yourself highlighter before the makeup. Highlighter before. That's all. That is the secret. That is the all over, give yourself this glowy, really affectionate, beautiful, sunshine, like I've been outside kissed, makeup glow. You put your highlighter on all over. Okay, get a good soppy mess of it all over before you put on your foundation. Gonna get you some glow. Gonna get you some highlight. I love it. Highlighter, GG Gorgeous highlighter. Yes, and this came again in my Ipsy. So while that's melting, we're gonna get our brows together. And you know, don't worry about me. I'm the same OG. I go back to my little wine. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. I can't go back to my little wine because, like I told you before, we're gonna stick to what's in our Ipsy bag this month. So brand new, straight out the pack. Y'all see it live here on GTV. I'm opening it up. I'm taking it out the pack. Shit. I'm putting it on my brows. And I'm leaving that wrap alone at this point. It's not for me. This is cute. This is cute. The wine's on the end. And, well, on that end. And then use your big girl muscles, Angela. Oh my gosh. Am I missing something? Oh, okay. You know what? This is exactly like what I was about to use. So this is more about the foundation application and the way that you set it. Making sure that everything, when you have a glowy, flawless face, you have to make sure everything is set into the skin. Okay, so we just did our brows, right? So now we're gonna do our foundation. Right. Get that on there. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, I know, I've had it in there. I'm gonna say something. It's okay to just pat your foundation into your skin because you're pushing it into your pores. And that's how it's supposed to be. So it will look natural. Pat. Now, if you were using a powder foundation, I'd do a circular motion, not a patting motion. I would. I hear a baby. So moving right along. We're moving right along. Yeah. This quarantine mess has my allergies all over the place. It's causing acne. Allergies causing acne. Anyway, so we have the glow looking, I look plastered right now. Sure. So now everything else is a normal step. Let's go ahead and we wet our sponge and we're going to just kind of cake that on there, onto that sponge, and go ahead and get that in there underneath that eye. Go ahead and pat that in there. And the point, and I take it all the way over, okay? I go all the way up to my nose and take it all the way over. The point in this is to set it so that you don't have any wrinkles with the makeup. You know what I mean? It's a smooth transition. So put it on there. Boom, she bang bang. Okay? And then of course you got to go back and darken up the spots where everything should be transitioning at. So whatever you use for contour color, did I have a contour color? No, I had to make sure Ipsy didn't come with one because y'all know I didn't. I already forgot about my damn Ipsy bag. Go ahead and hit that contour color I go all the way around. Darkening in those areas. Make sure you're going like up, in, up here, in here. You know what I mean? You don't want to, that's not, come in. Just come in. Just come on in. Just come on in. Yeah. Just like that. Come on in. Of course, you gotta hit your nose, so I always take a smaller brush. So that one was an angled brush, which I love that. That was for my cheeks and everything. And I'll probably use that again. So for my nose, smaller brush. And I do make my lines first, and then I go in. While I'm on the line, just go in. While you. Okay, so now we're gonna add just the really easy finishing touches. Here we go. Okay. And then we said we would use, what else did we say we were going to use? Oh, I definitely need to line my lips because my lips look interesting. It looks like my lip and my... Yeah, I look better without the lip. Anyways, let's move that out of my way. Let's get to these eyes. Let's do something quick. We're going to use our little palette we got from Ipsy today. And we're going to Ipsy provides me with 1,000,001 highlighters. So let's try a different one. This one is Colorized Rain is what it's called. So let's try this one. Okay, that's a tone down. So I'm going to go with that one because that one was a tone down from the last one. But you already see how that just kind of melts. That's cute. I didn't get all dressed up and look this good to just be sitting in the house. You better take me out. Jeez, kidding. She ain't crazy. Let's see. This was also a good Ipsy find. It's called Estate Lip Icing. Good Ipsy find. Let's see if we like her. You know, stay hydrated. Get a lot of sleep. Stay focused on what makes you a better you. You know what I mean? Stay focused on yourself. We're all in the house. We all have nothing else better to do than to focus on being the best versions of ourselves. So just let's do that. Let's glow and be fruitful. Figure out, you know, what it is that you want to do with the rest of your being here on earth. You know, make a plan to do that, like Pinky and the Brain. But, you know, just take this time to make yourself a better version of yourself. You know what I mean? Do that. I'm honestly not too sure how I feel about these, okay? This is, oh my gosh. So, these are long. I'm just saying. The final look. Sis. Final look. Bomb. Okay. That's Boo calling right now like, baby, where you at? Always make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe below. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.